Hello everyone. Today we are going to show how to fix the Tesla Model 3 error CP A163. The first step is initial troubleshooting. Unplug the charging cable. Close the charge port door. Wait a few moments. Then reinsert the connector securely. Make sure it clicks in completely. Sometimes a simple reset of the connector clears the error. Next, check for debris or damage. Inspect the charging port carefully. Look for dirt, water, or any damage to the metal contacts. Even a small obstruction can prevent the car from charging properly. Clean the port gently with a dry cloth if needed. Another possible cause is the rear cover of the charge port. Some users report that this error occurs when the cover at the back of the port assembly is loose. Make sure the cover is secured. If the error still appears, try another charger. Preferably, use a Tesla supercharger. This helps rule out the possibility of a faulty charging station or cable. If the car charges normally with a different charger, the problem may not be the vehicle. If none of these steps work, it is best to contact Tesla service. Thanks for watching.